Mabuhay! I am Jule Rusty Kaumban Bianes from Section 5. We talk about proper hygiene, maintaining personal hygiene and a professional appearance. Fosters mutual respect among colleagues, creating a harmonious and motivated work environment. Professional image, the industry thrives on the professionalism and personal cleanliness. Reflect a commitment to excellence. A polished appearance enhance the credibility of both the individual and the organization. Health and safety, personal cleanliness reduce the risk of spreading illnesses, especially in food service and accommodation. This ensure the well-being of guests and staff, which is critical for maintaining trust and compliance with health regulation by upholding high standards of grooming and cleanliness. Professionals in the hospitality and tourism industry demonstrate their commitments to guest satisfaction and overall service excellence. Before go to school, first is take a shower or bath. Clean your body to remove sweat and bacteria. Use soap and shampoo. Brush your teeth. Brush for at least 2 minutes and floss to maintain oral health and fresh breath. Wash your face. Clean your face to prevent acne and remove dirt. Use deodorant. Apply deodorant or antiperspirant to control body odor. Comb your brush, your hair, uh, style it neatly according to your preference. Fix your hair comb or style your hair neatly. Trims nails if needed. Check your nails to ensure they're clean and trim. Prepare for cleanliness at school. Carry or a handkerchief or tissues. Pack hand sanitizer or wet wipes to use throughout the day.